Welcome to our channel. If you are involved in international trade, banking, or finance, you may have come across demand guarantees and standby letters of credit. But what happens when a beneficiary wants to transfer or assign their rights under these instruments? In today's video, we will break down the difference between transfer and assignment, how rules like UCP 600, URDG 758, and ISP98 apply, and real-world situations where transfer or assignment might be necessary. So, let's dive in. Transferability in documentary credit. First, let's talk about documentary credits, which are governed by UCP 600. Under Article 38, a documentary credit can be transferred only if it is designated as transferable and with the consent of the transferring bank. The key assumptions here is the first beneficiary is using the transfer to pay their own supplier. Here, the first beneficiary is usually known as seller and the supplier is known as second beneficiary. The first beneficiary retains an interest in the transaction and typically makes the final presentation. However, an assignment under Article 39 is different. It applies to the proceeds to the credit, not the credit itself. The original beneficiaries still hold the right to make the presentation, even if proceeds are assigned to another party. But what about demand guarantees and standby letter of credit? So, unlike documentary credits, the transfer or assignment of the demand guarantee or standby letter of credit serves a different purpose. The need for a transfer or assignment may arise in several situations. Let's see the situation 1. Assignment of the underlying contract. If the entire contract is assigned, the new beneficiary takes over completely. Then, the original beneficiary has no further interest in the transaction. Second situation, corporate reorganization. In mergers or acquisition, the new entity may need to take over the beneficiary's right. Situation 3. Assignment for security purpose. A bank or financial institution may take an assignment of the instrument as a collateral for a loan. Situation 4. Passing on a performance guarantee. Like in project financing, a main contractor may want to pass the benefit of the subcontractor's performance guarantee to the customer. In all 4 cases, the new beneficiary will make the demand. This means UCP 600's transfer rule do not apply to demand guarantees or standby letters of credit. Since UCP 600 does not fit well with transfers of demand guarantees and standby letters of credit, we look at URDG 758, which is the Uniform Rules for Demand Guarantees, and ISP98, which is International Standby Practices. These rules reorganize transferability but handle it differently from UCP 600. The right to transfer or assign will depend on, first, the terms of the instrument itself and the applicable rules, which is URDG 758, ISP98, or any other national laws. Third, whether the issuer or guarantor consent to the transfer. Now, what if a demand guarantee is not subject to any rules? Even if they are not subject to any rules, it can still be transferred only if the test of the guarantee allows it. Also, if no provision exists, local law may permit assignment of the entire guarantee, and this can cause problems for the guarantor. Possible solutions are: include an explicit prohibition on assignment in the guarantee test. However, some countries do not allow such restrictions in commercial agreements, so legal advice may be needed in this case. Now, the key takeaways are: transfers and assignments are not the same. UCP 600 applies to documentary credits but not to demand guarantees or standby LCs. URDG 758 and ISP98 handle transfers differently. The ability to transfer or assign depend on the instrument's names, governing rules, and local law. So, if you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights into international trade finance. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.